Hello, it's Mr. G's workshop again, and I just want to run through a quick tip. Hopefully this will be a short video, and we're at the whiteboard. Now what I want to do is just do some fantastic artwork on my whiteboard, and then I'm going to rub it off. Now, hopefully you can see that that's left a mark there, even with the wiper, and it's quite determined rubbing. That's eventually going to go. But, let's put a few more colours on there and load the board up a little bit more. So there we are, I've got the board loaded up, and kind of wipe over, and we've still got the mess there, and I don't really want to have to go through scrubbing that severely each time. So a little tip that isn't actually my own, but I was shown by someone else, was to use some of this. So what I do is I put this onto a cloth and then treat the board. If I just rub the board over all the corners, try and cover the surface as much as I can, and then pick up the excess on the cloth. You can see there we've actually picked up some of the black that was on the board using the WD-40. So one of the advantages it has is it helps to seal the board as well. So after I rub that now, it should just once over, and we're okay. The board's as good as clean now. So it's good to put WD-40 on the board and just allow it to dry a little bit, and then that effectively seals the board. And that's the Mr. G's quick tip for today. Thank you.